So you want more of your Amazon influencers videos to be watched. Obviously, you want more people to buy the products because of your videos. So guess what? Same as on YouTube, Amazon influencers program has its own algorithm. And since I'm making pretty nice revenue right now from it, I thought I'm gonna share these tips so your videos will be more effective and you will earn more commissions. Hey there, my name is Chris. I'm a full-time content creator on YouTube and Amazon influencers video. And if you find this topic interesting, you already know what to do. Now let's go back to the video. So first, let's break it to two main components. Now obviously they have to work together. However, there is few different suggestions I have for each component, so that way you will have clear picture what to do first. Now these two components are click-through rate, and the click-through rate is kind of similar to YouTube. However, Amazon doesn't actually show this data, and if you didn't know this yet, basically the click-through rate is how many people see your video, for example, or to be specific, thumbnail on your video, and how many viewers, and in this situation how many potential customers will actually click the video. Now equally important is the second one, which is conversion ratio, and that's actually the ratio of how many people watch your video and then how many of them decide to buy the product. And obviously for Amazon to show your videos, it's better if that number is high, preferably between 15 and 20%. And yes, Amazon also showed these metrics, so you can actually see your progress on the way. So let's start from the first one, the click-through rate. First, make sure your product is very clearly visible, so make a nice picture with enough light. Second thing is you don't necessarily need to put the text on the thumbnail. Most of my Amazon influencers video thumbnails don't have any text at all. Unless I compare the products, then all I put is this is. Like for example, this leaf blower, this is the other one. But other than that, if the picture is clear and you're holding the item, that pretty much does the job. Now the third thing is if you're actually on the camera in the video, and I'm not just talking about your hands being on the camera, but you as a person, then you can even include yourself with some face expression, and maybe the face expression would be mostly happy, but with some little question on it, if you will, basically to trigger interest of the person buying the product to click your video. Also, and this one is really effective, make the picture of the product when the product is actually in action. So great example would be, let's say you're reviewing a leaf blower, then you obviously want to show the leaf blower itself in the picture, but maybe also this leaf blower pointing to the leaves, or when the power starts on, it starts to blow the leaves, which makes it really nice convincing thumbnail to click. Obviously you can do same with the hair dryer, somebody is drying the hair and etc. Well, you get the point. If the product is in action in the thumbnail, there is definitely a bigger chance that someone will click this video. So that was a couple of tips about the click-through rate, but now here is how you can increase your conversion ratio, so Amazon will start showing more of your videos, obviously earning you more commissions as well. So first the basics, make sure your video is recorded very clearly, make the product nicely visible with enough light, and for most part center of the frame. Now the second thing, and this one is kind of important, check actually other videos on this product and also some customer reviews questions on the bottom. That way if a lot of people ask about the same part of the product, like for example something is not very clear in the videos and these other videos don't have that answer, then you can make a regular review that you would normally do. However, also answer this kind of common question somewhere in the beginning of the video, so that way if the potential buyers are looking for that answer, they will find it in your video, and that will definitely have positive impact on your conversion ratio. Basically more people deciding to buy the product because of your video. And since Amazon's goal is obviously selling more products, of course satisfied customers buying the products also, and your videos start to generate more sales because obviously you're providing good info in the videos. Well, even though Amazon doesn't clearly state it anywhere, but from my experience, then Amazon will show more of your videos simply because they are effective. Also, I think I mentioned this in some other video, but in every single video you post, go directly to the point. Do not try to make similar content like you do on YouTube, because for example on YouTube you try to make watch time, you want the audience to watch longer. If you're making Amazon influencers video, this is actually totally opposite. Look, think about it. Somebody comes and wants some information about the product, but then somebody is taking 7 minutes to explain a couple of simple things on the product. So most likely this potential customer will actually not like the video, will watch some other video because that video is direct to the point. And as you know, for the most part, the video that was watched last by this customer makes the revenue. So if someone watches, for example, 1 minute of your video, but the video is too long and he skips to another video, and then that video actually makes the sale, I'm sorry to break this to you, but then they have the commission from that sale. That's why you want to make this video as short as possible. However, that doesn't mean cutting corners though, because you still want to provide all the information necessary. Another effective way to increase your conversion ratio is basically posting comparison videos. Now in the beginning, if you don't have that many products and you're not investing money yet to this program much by basically buying additional products for review, then maybe this method is not specifically for you yet. However, when you're ready and you do comparison videos, there is a way bigger chance that the buyers will click that video because they want to see which product is actually better. So good comparison videos are very effective. And not only that, but this is actually additional video besides the two regular product reviews, because then the third video is the comparison video. So it could actually be shown in more places as well, because this is additional video. So I hope these few tips will help you. I know they work for me as well. Thank you for watching. If you want to grow even more revenue on this platform, click this video right here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.